Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through a solution that your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. For that, launch your settings and go through your Apple ID. From there, select Sign In and Security and then choose Change Password. Once you go through the Change Password, enter your new password and then verify your new password and hit on the change. After doing this, if it is still not solved, then go through any browser you have in your device and search for support.apple.com. From there, on the searching bar, search for Apple ID disabled. Now, hit on the if your Apple ID is locked or disabled option. From there, scroll down to the last and select Get Started. So in this way, you can report a problem to Apple and Apple will help you out to solve your issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.